So if you think your WordPress website is not getting ranked on Google, or your products of your website are not getting ranked on Google, so this is the video for you. So this is the website of RI Marine Spares. So we have a couple of products here inside marine automation and marine products. So today I'm not going to show you how to rank the website, but I'm going to show you how to do the SEO of a product. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to do general settings and the normal settings of Yoast SEO, which can make your website rank on Google. So let's go and first start with products. You of course you have to add new product, or if you have existing product, you can do the same things in that product also. So we're going to see this in what I have done this before. So first go to edit and wait for a second. Okay. So first, make sure that the name is proper, and it should not be an explicit name, of course. Otherwise, Google will not rank it most probably. And the picture should be clear and in high quality. This is the most important thing. Google will see that you have added a high quality picture and a proper name, so it has more chances to get ranked. Otherwise, compared to any other improper picture and the name. So in the SEO section, sometimes Yoast SEO provides you keywords by clicking on get related keyword, but they exhaust because there is a limit of free. So they'll ask for you money, so you don't have to give it. So first, make sure that the title, page, and separator, and you don't change this. This should be as it is, but all game goes in meta description. So here they'll provide you free meta description for fewer products, but after that they will ask for money. So what you have to do is add the picture of your product into ChatGPT or any other AI tool, and add the name, and tell them that you want to target a particular country, a particular people, a particular what particular requirement you have, so that AI will understand and provide you that specific meta description, which will make Google to list and show your website to that particular group of people. So that is all I did. So this is the description which is generated by ChatGPT. In many other products, I have also added the country name also. In some of the names, I have added the country name here in SEO title also. So this helps Google understand that you're targeting a particular country or particular group of people for your product to be sold and to be seen by them. So like Japan, by exported to Japan or to USA. If you have added this in meta description, they when someone from that country search your product name, your website can be shown to them. So that's how your website and your product can get ranked globally. So this is all it. And if you want, I'll make sure that I'll get another video on Yoast SEO and general setting. This is important for your website to show on Google, like RI Marine Spare. If I search it, it appears on Google. So this is the thing which I'll make sure that the next video is on it. And if you like this video and find this video helpful, please consider subscribe and comment down below. Thank you very much.